First time people see a 3D printer in motion, it's captivating. People are mesmerized by it, and everybody wants to get involved. 3D printer is kind of like magic. One minute you have this box on your desk, and the next minute you see an object appearing out of thin air. At M3D, we knew at some point in the future these tools would be a part of everyone's lives. So we asked, why not now? But there hasn't been a truly affordable consumer printer that's easy to use. You just plug it in and hit print until now. People can use other sources for their filaments, or they can use ours, and it goes both ways. Other people with different printers can buy our filaments as well. The Micro 3D printer is for everyone, and we designed it to be perfect for beginner users, but also for expert users. Of course, they're already very useful today. You can use it for things like replacing a shower hook, or building real prototypes, or even functional parts, replacements for things around your house, for example. And that's just scratching the surface of what 3D printers are capable of.
Hi, we're the team behind Tiko. As inventors, we constantly use 3D printers to create and test our ideas. But every 3D printer we used fell short of our expectations. They were heavy, overcomplicated, and unreliable. We often spent more time calibrating our printers than printing our inventions. So we came up with a simple solution: Unibody. This is Tiko, the Unibody 3D printer. Most 3D printer frames are built using separate rails. Unibody means the rails are built into the chassis, creating one solid piece. One solid piece, Unibody. And with this simple shift in design, all the problems that came from separate rail systems disappeared. More reliable and accurate, Tiko sets a new standard for 3D printers. And it doesn't stop at Unibody. Tiko has an internal filament tray, enclosed build chamber, auto safety shutoff, a large print volume, a flexible base, wireless connectivity, and cloud-based software so you can print from almost anywhere on any internet-friendly device. With Tiko, we've not only set a new standard for design, but for price too. Tiko is only $179. Yup, $179. That's the beauty of Unibody design. It's better and it costs less to manufacture.
I've been involved in the field of personal fabrication for 5 years now, and I've seen what an amazing impact that these tools can have, but I've also realized that these tools are just a fraction of what's possible.
When we were at the Media Lab at MIT, we had access to an amazing set of tools, 3D printing being one of the most important.
For designers and engineers like us, there was simply no solution if you want a high-resolution 3D printer at a low cost on your desk.
So we decided to build it ourselves.
The way it works is pretty simple. A laser beam is drawn across the surface of a liquid plastic resin that hardens when exposed to a specific wavelength of light. After the layer is drawn, the build platform lifts and the process is repeated layer by layer until the part is finished.
We have a great user experience. We have powerful and easy to use software. We've built a reliable and beautifully designed printer, and we're developing materials which will enable our users to make amazing things.
Hi, we're Pirate 3D, and we're bringing to you the most affordable, easiest to use, best looking, cloud-based 3D printer. So why is this awesome technology not in our homes yet? Most industry leaders believe that 3D printing is not ready for the home. We disagree. Everyone is focused only on the technical aspects of 3D printers. However, we understand that the key to mass adoption lies in having an insanely great user experience.
Based on your needs, the Buccaneer is built to be intuitive, relevant, and most of all, affordable. What you're about to see is a culmination of a year's worth of innovation. Introducing the Buccaneer, the 3D printer that everyone can use. Simple and elegant, and that is what a 3D printer should be. The Buccaneer is very beautifully crafted, and what it does is amazing. It is elegantly designed as a closed box system, and this design helps to ensure reliable prints. And the inbuilt filter will ensure that no smell is emitted from the printer. The plastic we use is biodegradable. The Buccaneer is environmentally friendly and food safe, so you can even eat from what you make. The Buccaneer is a 3D printer that truly looks at home on your table. At $347, the Buccaneer is the most affordable, fully assembled 3D printer in the world. We're able to sell at this price by avoiding big-time distributors, and that is why we are here on Kickstarter to sell it directly to you. With your contributions, we will be able to begin manufacturing our 3D printers and ship them to you before